Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to change out the light bulbs on these headlights right here. So today we're going after the regular headlights. That's this one right here. We are not going after the high beams, but I'll show you where that's located. You can see I've got this one turned on. This one still works, but you know what? We're gonna replace them both. When one of these goes out, the other one's gonna go out pretty soon anyway. I'll put a link down in the description. We're gonna use the H11 type light for these. First, let's turn off the headlights. Pop the hood. We'll go after the driver's side first and change out this one, and then we'll move over to the passenger side in just a minute. So let's take a look. We've got enough space that we can actually do this. If you wanted to, you can loosen up some of these. These are 10 millimeter bolts here and here. You wouldn't disconnect the battery, but you could push it back a little just to get a little extra room, especially if you were trying to do the high beam, which is this one right here. You would definitely want to loosen this and move it out of the way. For us though, if you look where this light is right here, puts us right there. So this is what we're going to go after right here, and we really don't need to move anything out of the way. Sorry, I was pointing here. It's right here, looking in the camera. So when we pull this towards us, it's just like a 1/4 inch turn. There you go. That's it. And then it's going to pop straight out. If I can do this one-handed, you can do it two-handed. Now it's tight here, so you kind of have to wiggle at an angle, but it comes out. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Easy as that. And then we're going to push down right here with my thumb. At the same time, we're going to pull up on the top of that light. I'm going to have to put my phone down for this. Okay, I've got it loose in there, and it just pops right out. There it is. Let's get our new one. Push it in until it snaps. Now, you see I have gloves on. If your hands and skin touches the light bulb, the oils from your skin can cause them to prematurely fail. So put some gloves on. There's that hole it goes in. And kind of get it started there. Again, gentle, just be gentle with it. And then we're gonna wanna be just about that angle we're at there. Okay, so I have it seated in there pretty good. And then we're gonna push down. It's about a 1/4 turn that we're gonna push down. Kind of have to be firm with it. That's not quite in there all the way. Don't want to break anything. You want to make sure that all the tabs are lining up correctly, which it looks like they are. Okay, I was able to put down the phone and just push a little bit more. So that's our final resting place. You can just double check everything looks sealed up and great. All right, that's it, my friends. Let's go tackle passenger side. Passenger side, same thing. It's a little bit tight, but we're going to have enough room. We're going to go after this right here. If you wanted to, you could loosen up the reservoir. 10 millimeter bolt here, another 10 right there, another 10 right there. You can loosen those up, especially if you're going after the high beam. You would need to do that. But we are going over here to the regular beam. So, okay, for this one, we're going to push down that 1/4 turn. 1, 2, 3. Push it down, gently pull it out. We have this other wire that's kind of in the way. We'll be careful with it. If we just give it a little wiggle, it should pop out of there. There it is. Again, it's tight, but it is doable. I did not loosen up the washer fluid reservoir, so you shouldn't have to do that either. And then same procedure. We're gonna push down on this tab right here. At the same time, this is gonna pull up. And there's our old bulb pulling out. There's our dead ducts. Here's our new one. Slide it in there until it snaps. I should say clicks, maybe not snaps. Okay, and then it should go in just about this angle. And then on this time, we're going to end up pulling up on it like that. So it's going to go in about here. We'll pull up to here. You can see that little bit of light, so I don't... Got to make sure it's on there correctly. Okay, there I've got it seated. And now I'm going to pull up, give it that twist. There you go. When you're done with that little twist, it kind of almost like locks into place. You can feel when it's in the right spot. We'll give it a little wiggle. I don't see any light. Looks like it's nice and even there, so that's sitting in there correctly. Let's try them out. There you go, driver's side, passenger side, and these are just slightly brighter than the OEMs, just to help out a little bit. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link down in the description to these light bulbs. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.